In this video, we listed the 5 best mechanical keyboard on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Ajazz AK820 Pro. The Ajazz AK820 Pro is a cutting-edge 75% mechanical keyboard designed with both enthusiasts and professionals in mind. Featuring a high-definition 0.85-inch TFT screen, it serves as an interactive interface for real-time updates and customization options such as battery status and backlight effects. The keyboard supports versatile connectivity through Bluetooth 5.1, 2.4 GHz wireless, and a Type-C USB cable, with a robust 4000 mAh battery ensuring long-lasting use. Its gasket-mounted design, combined with a flex-cut PC plate, minimizes vibration and noise while enhancing the typing experience. The keyboard is equipped with customizable RGB backlighting, offering 1.6 million color options, and is compatible with both Windows and Mac operating systems. With a hot-swappable design and a choice of various linear switch types, the Ajazz AK820 Pro promises an optimal blend of performance, aesthetic appeal, and functionality, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a compact yet feature-rich keyboard. Number 2. Redragon K621. The Redragon K621 keyboard features an innovative 3-mode connection technology, allowing users to seamlessly switch between USB-C wired, Bluetooth 3.0, 5.0, and 2.4 GHz wireless modes, providing a low-latency, worry-free wireless experience compatible with all devices. Designed in a compact tankless layout with 87 low-profile keys, this keyboard enhances mouse mobility while ensuring swift responsiveness. It boasts practical features such as on-the-fly macro keys for quick access to frequently used commands, as well as dedicated media control functions. With RGB backlighting and extensive customization options via supportive software, users can personalize their keyboard settings for both gaming performance and work efficiency. The package includes the keyboard, a USB cable, and a user manual, but note that electrical plugs are designed for use in the US, potentially requiring a converter for international use. Number 3. AULA F75 Pro. The AULA F75 Pro is an advanced 75% layout Bluetooth wireless gaming keyboard designed for optimal performance and versatility. Featuring a total of 80 high-quality PBT keycaps with side-engraved characters for enhanced visibility, this keyboard incorporates a gasket-mounted structure that effectively reduces noise, providing a comfortable typing experience. The keyboard boasts a variety of connection options including Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4G USB, and Type-C wired, making it compatible with multiple devices such as laptops and smartphones across various operating systems. It is equipped with hot-swappable PCB technology, allowing users to easily replace switches, which can accommodate both 3-pin and 5-pin configurations. The AULA F75 Pro showcases customizable RGB backlighting with multiple modes, and features macro-programmable software for personalized key functions. Additionally, the keyboard comes with factory-lubed Leobog switches, ensuring a smooth and responsive typing experience, with a lifespan of up to 60 million keystrokes. Number 4. DrunkDeer G65. The DrunkDeer G65 is a cutting-edge mechanical gaming keyboard designed for speed and stability, featuring a keycap material made of durable PBT plastic and innovative magnetic switches. This keyboard incorporates the RT Plus system, allowing for advanced in-game functionalities such as priority key presses and dual trigger actions, enhancing players' ability to execute complex maneuvers in competitive titles like Fortnite and CS2. Its ultra-responsive key sensors enable precise command execution, while the customizable RGB lighting and user-friendly driver settings provide an immersive gaming experience. The G65's shock-absorbing structure and high durability, boasting a keypress lifespan of up to 100 million strokes, make it a reliable choice for serious gamers. With a compact ANSI 65% layout, this hot-swappable keyboard is crafted to unleash gaming potential while offering flexibility in switch types for tailored performance. Number 5. SKYLOONG GK104 Pro. The overview describes a high-concern chemical product related to keycup printing, utilizing dye sublimation technology. The keycups are made from durable PBT plastic and feature hot swappable switches manufactured by SKYLOONG, allowing for easy customization. The keyboard's backlight is multicolored, enhancing its visual appeal. Additional details may be available through a downloadable report.